What's up, y'all? So today I'll do a quick HIIT workout. I'm gonna list the entire workout in the description below, so go ahead and check that out.
What it do, what it does, where you been, where you was, but it ain't what it is. Face in the mud, I really be hating in the mud. Said I can't pick it up, but I did. Y'all know Goon put too much bass in the sub. Cup full of blood and I gave it a chug. Wait till your neighbors get all snug, then play this real loud where you live. This, that, for the kids, saw something strange, can't say what it is. Court case came, ain't say what he did. Make shit move, put a chain on the gear. Yeah, I've been on top of the tower, got the power, weatherman, gun cock in his pocket shower. Put you down with the squid, says rock the power. I done hang with the guys and we talk for hours, yo. I feel like a doctor on late shift. I done ran out of my patience. I done no trip out in Vegas. I say I don't have to pay shit. Don't try to save it related. I come to the reunion looking like Jason. It's that black entertainment. I should have been on the base. Bitch, you ain't gon' get me. I put that on my family tree. You gon' see who really got that life, and that's a guarantee. I can still hear my mama's voice back when she said to me,